Welcome to my Splunk Core Certified User Practice Exam questions. We have been asked, and so we will provide practice exam questions, the question options, and explain why each option is either correct or incorrect. I am not a fan of this as your sole method of studying for your examinations and certifications. Please watch the other videos, understand the content, but if you feel you're ready and you just want some clarification, let's go forward with these practice exam questions. Hello everyone, today we're going to go through a question from the Splunk certification exam. Let's dive into it. When editing a dashboard, which of the following are possible options? Select all that apply. Let's break down each option. Option A, add an output. This is incorrect. Currently, Splunk dashboards do not have a direct feature to add what we would call an output in the context of data processing, where you might send data to another system or file within Splunk's dashboard interface. Your focus is on visualizing data in a dashboard, not on putting it to the external systems directly from the dashboard. Option B, export a dashboard panel. This is also incorrect. Although you can export the entire dashboard in various formats like PDF, you can't export individual panels directly from the dashboard editing interface. For exporting data from a panel, you typically use search results or scheduled reports, not directly from dashboard editing. Option C, modify the chart type displayed in a dashboard panel. This is correct. This is indeed a possible option when editing a dashboard in Splunk. You can change how data is visualized within a panel by selecting different chart types like bar, line, pie, etc., which allows you to better interpret the data based on your needs. Option D, drag a dashboard panel to a different location on the dashboard. This answer is directly relating to Dashboard Classic, not Dashboard Studio. In Dashboards Classic, while Splunk has been improving its UI, as of the last update, you cannot simply drag and drop panels to rearrange them on the dashboard. Instead, you would need to edit the dashboard's layout manually by adjusting the panel positions through the dashboard editor, which is not drag and drop. Now, Dashboard Studio does have this ability in some of its features. So the correct answer here is C. Modify the chart type displayed in a dashboard panel. Remember, understanding the capabilities and limitations of Splunk's dashboard editor is crucial for both certification and practical application. Keep practicing and you'll master these tools in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions.